Does your screen keep turning off too quickly while you are working? Let me show you how to keep it awake longer when work mode is on. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. While you are in the Mode section, tap Work, tap Other Action. Scroll down the screen, tap Add Action, tap Display. Next, tap Screen Timeout. Pick a longer time, like 10 minutes, so your screen will not turn off quickly. Now, tap Done button to save your screen timeout setting, and then tap Done button again to save it to your work mode setting. With this setup, whenever you turn on work mode, either manually or automatically, your phone will automatically keep the screen awake longer, perfect when you are in meetings, reviewing documents, or following notes on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.